Like big sticky dog.
Cliffside that's coming to the north side of the cabin is called Ego Boost. People free climb that without ropes, harnesses, etc. I called an ego check for some and a no thank you for me. Going over Echo Canyon now, if you look down below, the Douglas fir trees down there are over 100 foot tall. They are watered by the only water spring on this side of the mountain. And if you guys would like up through Echo Canyon and get out the top of the mountains, you're going to hear yourself echo some back several times.
You must have 20 of those.
Where's the